Got a question. Got a question because the question has been asked. The question is this: is the Earth flat or is the Earth round? Well, obviously, it ain't like this. Now that's flat, right? Paper thin flat, right? What's round? What's round? Is this round? Is this round? Is this flat or round? Well, it's flat on one side, round on the other. Now, is the Earth a globe? Hmm. We do know that the ocean moves. Why does the ocean move? Is it the energy that moves the ocean? Is it because the world turns that moves the ocean? Why does the ocean come back if the ocean comes out? Why does the ocean come back to the shore? Is the world round? I believe the world can be just like a lampshade, but we're all standing on flat ground, right? We walk up and down the street, but the street's not even going up. It's flat. So how can we walk up and down the street? So if you really think about the reality, the relativity of everything, and then we, the people, how can you decode we, the people? 2 letters, 3 letters, and 6 letters. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3, 2 and 3. 5, 5. The W is a 5 and the E is a 5. 28, time heaven, and it is put fourth, ends in TH. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. Although 10 is 1 plus 0 equals 1 in Pythagorean, it does not have a 1 for first. It has a TH. The next time we have a 1 for first is when we get to 21st, where 20 is the T letter and accumulates with the O letter. The O letter is the 15th letter. The 15th letter, 1 and 5, A and E. The A letter, the J letter, and the S, Jazz, Fox. Those are 1 and 6. 1 and 5 is NEW, Jazz New, New Jazz. So the word, the letters, the numbers, they talk. When you add up 1 and 2, it equals to 3. When you add up 1, 2, 3, it equals to 6. When you add up 1 through 6, it equals to 21. 2 and 1 is 3. 3, 6, 3, just according to this. 1, 6, 7. 2 and 8 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. But to continue on with the T and H, we have from 4 all the way up to 20 is T and H. If you add 1 to 20, it equals 210. Take away 1, 2, 3 because it's first, ST, second, ND, and third, ST, and D. Third is RD, and then TH, right? So you have a total of 210 when you add 1 to 20. Isn't that funny? You have 210 when you add 1 to 20. But 1, 2, 3, okay, is ST and DRD, and then the fourth one is TH. Okay, so we're going to take the camera off and we're going to finish it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 210 minus 6. But the reality is these 3 over here must go with 3. 1 and 2 shouldn't even count because they're all inside 3. But we're going to count it anyways, right? We need to take 2 parts in order to one and 1 part to create anything at all. But anyways, 1, 2, 3 equals to 6. So now we have 204 and 6. We actually have 200. The fourth is what starts it. The 20th is what ends it. We're going to take away 24. The total is 180 in numbers. We have 3 and we end in 24. We have C and X. The 27 are reverse of each other. You see we have first, second, third, and fourth. How about AAE? Standard death. So If we add 1 through 26, it equals to 351. So the difference between here and here is 141. This will say C, the 5 will say E, and the 3 and 5 will, excuse me, 3 and, oh yeah, 135, excuse me, 351 will say A. C, E, A. How about ACE? If you go to the typewriter, the first, the third, and the fifth, it says IGAD, first, third, and fifth, right? But the third one here, the first one here, and the fifth one here say cat. The third one here is B. The first one, well, excuse me, the third one here is B. The 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one is G. B, G, beg. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, beggy. Well, biggie, beggy. Anyways, I don't even want to get into that. That was just something else. I shouldn't have counted that. Since 1 is inside 3, A, B, C, 3 and 2 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. Anyways, just let's end it right here. 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 4 is the number to the sun. 5 times 4 is 20, and 9 equals 29, and that is birth in Venus. Venus is number 81, right? We can't go any higher. We can go lower. 81 for Venus, 29 for birth. 29 because 1 out of every 4 years is a leap year. There's just a lot of things we can do. I think I've done enough. I didn't explain enough for what I've spoken. There's many things we can do, but we're not doing anything right now. D and E, right? D and E, D and E. I don't even know what to say about that, but I'm not saying anymore. Thank you for watching these videos.